Meet the professional IC chip repair kit with ultra-thin precision blades designed for delicate motherboard and CPU repairs. This sleek silver toolset features specialized edge removal tools that glide effortlessly under chips without damaging circuits. Perfect for mobile phone technicians and computer repair specialists who demand surgical precision in their work. Feel the confidence of handling expensive components with tools made specifically for micro soldering and chip-level repairs. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional tool reviews and tech repair insights. Key specifications include stainless steel blades, anti-static coating, 15-piece set with various blade profiles.